Y'all, I'm gonna give you a short tour of my rain garden. It's a small garden, so it'll be a short tour. Here soon I will be giving you a tour of my fall garden once it really becomes alive with color. I'm just gonna name the flowers that are blooming. Look at that beautiful phlox. Isn't it just beautiful? With the little tiny cosmos. It's pretty, pretty. There is an aster getting ready to bloom again. It's already blooming. Look at it. Isn't he sweet? This is my pineapple sage and lemon verbena. They smell wonderful. Love rubbing the leaves and smelling them. Some more little asters hiding back there. And here is the cream of the crop. This is called cardinal flower. And the hummingbirds love this cardinal flower so much. This here is the cousin of the cardinal flower. It's called the great blue lobelia, and it is a favorite of butterflies, moths, and all pollinators. They just flock to this plant all day long. So beautiful, isn't it? This is my very happy, soon-to-be flowering aster. And that, y'all, is a seed-headed parsley. Isn't it pretty? I really like that. And here's my little dahlia. I haven't had much luck with dahlias this year. Isn't that pretty, though? They have been eaten all summer long by critters. Especially my groundhog. This is a helenium, guys. Isn't that flower just absolutely precious? It's really starting to bloom heavily. And here is my turtle head, the shalom. Isn't it nice? It has bloomed for the first time this year for me, and I'm really excited about it. With some native wisteria that's hopefully someday will be something. And last but not least, it's not part of my garden yet, but here's this beautiful white echinacea I'm going to be planting out. Well, y'all, thank you so much for taking the tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and y'all have a lovely, lovely day. See ya.